crave and eat. Okay, so serving size 5 pieces, which is 30 grams, and meaning that 5 pieces of this biscuit weigh 30 grams. And then they said servings per package. Servings per package, about 3 servings. So meaning 5 pieces times 3, we have 15 pieces per pack. 15 pieces of biscuit in this pack. So now calories per 7. What do they mean here? Calories per those 5 pieces of biscuit, not all of it. Calories per 5 pieces of biscuit, 150 calories total. That is calories from fat, calories from carbohydrates, calories from protein, if any. Total calories, 150 kilocalories. Now they went further to say calories from fat. That is for 5